Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair, 2011 Hyundai Sonata, rear pads and rotors. Pads are pretty simple. 14 here, 14 here. Caliper will come off and get to the pads with no problem. If you're doing the rotors, it'll be a little different. You have a 14 bolt right here for the bracket. See right there? And then you have another one right there. The only fun part is your rear control arm is in the way because it sits right here in this bracket and you cannot get to the bolt without taking this control arm out. So the easiest way I found to put these in, because if you take just the back piece here out and swing it out of the way, you're going to have to fight with the whole assembly in order to get everything to line back up, and that's no bueno. 19 millimeter there, 19 millimeter on the bolt and nut. Now the bolt faces this way into the bracket. As you punch it out, it will get wedged on the rear shock. So going back in, I put it in this way and put the nut on the reverse side, so that way you can also use a hammer to hammer it in through this tight cord over here. Otherwise, you will not be able to get anything in this vicinity to actually help you get it in there. Another one of the engineering what the F's. Same thing, why they want to attach it to the same bracket that the housing wants to go into, but I'm not the engineer. But the easiest way I found to do this is to start with the rear one first, put about 4 or 5 threads in, and then insert this one. Use a punch to get it lined up to go all the way through first, like where'd I put it? Anyways, to just a punch, get it all the way through. That way it's center lined all the way through, and then that way the bolt will push itself through a whole lot easier, as you'll be fighting with it for quite a while in order to get the line back up. Like I said, start with the back, put about 4 or 5 threads in, and then come up here to the front, put some PB Blaster on the back thread back there and on the sides here. Sorry about that. So that way it will slide into place and move around a little bit easier, because it will fight you most of the way. Also remember to change out your shims, put some grease on the back of the brake pad. But each side probably take you about 30 minutes each, just with this one control arm being out of the way. This thing fights with you the whole way, so just kind of use a pry bar, force it around a little bit, like so, get the punch to line it up through, and then it'll go on a whole lot easier. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.